Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix notes not showing on Instagram. So let's get started. So first, what you need to do before proceeding to Instagram is go to your Play Store or App Store, whatever device you're using, and search Instagram right here because we want to update Instagram and we want to make sure that our Instagram is to the latest date or it's updated. So once you see an update button right here, you just need to click it, but if you don't have it, then it's already updated. So once it's already updated, we can now open it. We can proceed right here, and as you can see right here, I am seeing the notes, but if you are not seeing things like this, so let's go head over to our settings right here, and we're gonna click here, and we want to go here on settings. And once you have done that, then you can go here into your search button and we want to type activity right here, activity, and we want to go for activity status, and here you make sure that this is turned on because sometimes that if you have turned off activity status, it would limit some of your features from Instagram. So you really need to turn this on. So if it is like this, if it is like this in your phone, then you need to turn it on by simply tapping here and make sure it is blue, and you want to go back and back to your messaging, and you should see it here. You should see active people in your Instagram and their notes right here. So that is how you can fix notes not showing on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.